Many around the world believe investing is only for the rich, but the truth is you can start investing with as little as a few hundreds a month. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start investing safely, avoid common mistakes, and build real wealth over time. Let's grow smarter with money together. Investing simply means putting your money into assets that grow over time, instead of letting it lose value in a savings account because of inflation. When you invest, your money works for you while you sleep. Instead of spending every cent, you allow some of it to grow into future wealth. Before you invest, make sure you do three things. First, pay off expensive debt like store cards and short-term loans. Second, build a small emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Third, only invest money you won't need urgently. This protects you from panic selling when emergencies happen. For beginners, the safest way to start is through unit trusts and ETFs. These investments spread your money across many companies, reducing risk. You can also invest inside a tax-free savings account, which allows your profits to grow without paying tax up to the legal limit. You can start from as little as $300 to $1,000 per month using trusted platforms. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Avoid investing money you borrowed. Avoid day trading if you're a beginner. Avoid blindly following social media hype. Real wealth is built slowly, not overnight. Here's a simple plan. Choose one balanced fund or ETF. Invest monthly, even if it's small. Reinvest your profits. Stay invested for the long term. Consistency beats luck. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build financial freedom. Drop your questions in the comments. Let's grow together. This is Money IQ Academy.